In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily combine videos on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up TikTok app, then hit at the plus sign to start creating your own video. And in order to combine videos that you've already created, just hit right here where it says upload, and that will open up your camera roll where you can just by checkmarking videos, just by selecting them, add it to your video to combine, then just hit add next, and if you want you can now edit that video. Tap right here at that edit icon, and that will open up the editor, and then let me pinch it to zoom in. As you can see, there are two different videos that I've just added, and also right here that automatically added a sound. If you don't like that sound, you can hit add delete. Also you can add another sound or some sound effect. Then if you want, you can also trim any of these videos from the start or from the end. In that way you can split them, you can change their speed, all that stuff. Once you've finished with that, hit add save, then hit add next, and then you will be able to add their caption, tag someone, add location, all that stuff. And once you've done with that, just hit add post. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.